You've probably seen these viral baby podcaster videos by now. Well, this took me just 10 seconds to create. This also took me just 10 seconds. And this took me just 10 seconds too. For months, I've been seeing 20-minute long tutorials that say you have to use multiple AI tools, complex prompts, and hours of editing to make these videos. But I stumbled across something last week that changes everything. One tool, one click, any viral style you want. So while everyone else explains how to do this in long step-by-step tutorials, I'm about to show you how to do this in just one step. Literally just clicking a button. So I'm just jumping onto TikTok quickly to show you why you should be paying attention here. Look at this talking baby video here with 3.6 million likes. We got this one here with 550,000 likes. And scrolling down, we got this talking baby video of podcaster Theo Von here with 1.5 million likes. So this just shows that new channels are popping up on TikTok and getting millions of views with this type of content. And talking about podcaster Theo Von, if we head over to his YouTube channel and we scroll down, we can see that he's using these baby videos on his own channel too, getting millions of views. Here we go, 1.2 million views, 2.6 million views, using these trending clip styles to get people's attention and send them back to his original videos. So there's still huge opportunity here to use these viral clip styles to get more views on your videos and drive more subscribers to your channels. That's why it's so useful that I found out how to make these clips in a single click. So let me tell you what the name of the tool is that makes these and how to use it. So the platform I found makes these viral clips in a single click is called Riverside. There's a link in the description to this video to start using it yourself. It's actually free to make these viral style clips inside Riverside. But there's also a code in the description that gives you 1 month free access to the Riverside Pro plan. So as well as being able to make these viral clips, you'll also be able to use some other cool kind of upgraded features inside Riverside for that 1 month period. So now I'm inside Riverside and let me show you how easy it is to create these viral style clips. I'm just going to jump into this project here. And now I'm in that project. Here's a 16-second recording here that I made in Riverside earlier. And if I jump over to this Made for You tab, here's that same recording cut down to 13 seconds automatically by Riverside because it's really usefully taken out the unnecessary silences that were in that original recording. So it's cut down 3 seconds for me. And because this clip is less than 50 seconds, if I head over here to this button here and give it a press, you can see that I really easily have the option here to click on any of these 16 viral styles that Riverside's added in to the platform to turn that recording automatically into any of these styles. So I'm going to select baby here and press generate animation. And in that single click of a button, I just need to wait a couple of minutes and that talking baby clip is going to be added right into my project for me. While that's being created for me, I'll just come out of this to show you something else. If I head back to my projects, we can see here that I have a recording that's longer than 50 seconds. Just click into that. Yeah, we can see here that this is 58 seconds. So if I want to shorten this down to less than 50 seconds so that it can be turned into one of those viral style clips, I can just press edit here, cut out the part of this recording that I don't need. So let's just split this timeline here and remove all of this silence. And I can now see that that 58-second clip is now 47 seconds. So I'll just come out of here. And now I can just head from this recording section to this edits tab to see that 47-second edit that I just made. You can see down here that that video is here at 47 seconds, so less than 50 seconds, which means I now have the ability to press this button here to make some animated clips. I can choose whatever style I want. Let's choose the AI animal this time, and I can generate that animation too in one click. After a few minutes of waiting to let Riverside do its thing, your converted video will show here in the Edits tab. Let's just give this a play and check it out. Hey, here's a recording I'm making inside Riverside that is less than 50 seconds to show you just how easy it is to use their new animated clips feature. Awesome. And then you can just press this export button here to download those clips to your computer. I just think this one-click feature inside Riverside that lets you make these viral styles is hugely useful for people that don't want to be jumping between all these different AI tools and having to learn each tool. And I think the timing of when you start using a simple tool like this matters more than you think, because the more people realize how easy it is to start making videos in these styles, the more we're going to start seeing online, the more competitive it's going to become, and the harder it's going to be to get massive views from turning your videos into these styles. So jump on that one-click feature as quick as you can. Like I said, the link to Riverside is in the description to this video. You can use that animated clips tool inside Riverside for free. That one-click tool from Riverside that I've shown you today is just one of many AI tools that they've got that help you create videos faster and get more views. So if you want to learn more about what Riverside does, I've spoken about them more in this video here, which you should watch next. And as always, just remember, subscribe to the channel too.